Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment of different engineering colleges or universities in different specialization. So the first college is Saroj Educational Group. In that there are two colleges, Saroj Institute of Technology and Management, Lucknow, and second one Shivdan Singh Institute of Technology and Management, Aligarh. They are having walk-in interview and invite application for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for pharmacy, education, engineering, civil, electrical, mechanical, computer science, agriculture, biotech, for applied science and humanities, MCA, MBA, qualification experience as per ICT norms. They also have requirement for some administrative and technical staff like PS2 chairman, marketing manager, admission counselor, system administrator, accountant and auditor, web designer, developer, telecaller, receptionist, lab assistant and typist. The walk-in interview date is on 29, 30 and 31st October between 11 am to 3 pm at Lucknow campus. You can also send your CV at hr@sagelko.org. Next is Mata Mahakali Polytechnic, Baroda. It is in Maharashtra. They have requirement for post of lecturer. For that requirement for engineering is BE. Qualification required for that is BE. Like for civil 3 posts, electrical 3 posts, electronics, telecommunication 3, computer 3, mechanical 3. For all this, if you have BE in a respective discipline, you can apply. For chemistry, maths, English, physics, library. If you have masters in respective discipline, you can apply. For lab assistant, requirement is diploma, BSc or ITI, electrician and fitter. For mechanical, civil, then EJ, CM, EE. Likewise, math, engineering, drawing teacher also required for 2 posts. Next is Royal College of Engineering and Technology, Thrissur. They have requirement for professor, associate professor. For that, with PhD in CE, CSE and ME. If you have, then you can apply for the both posts. They also have some technical assistant. If you have diploma in civil or CSE and mechanical, you can apply for that. Some posts also for system administrator. If you have diploma in CE or CSE and ME plus CCNA certification, you can email your resume to hr@royalcet.ac.in. Next is Alliance University. They are recruiting for different colleges for professor, associate professor and assistant professor, like Alliance School of Business for engineering and design, Alliance School of Law, Alliance School of Applied Mathematics, Alliance School of Liberal Arts, then Alliance School of Digital Technology for language and literature, then economics, science. They also have requirement for some administrative position like for leadership role, senior role, supervisory role, managerial level, senior roles like director level, and leadership role, pro, vice chancellor, dean, registrar, all are having a requirement in this university. For applying, you have to apply within 15 days with your updated CV and cover letter by scanning the QR code. You have to scan this QR code and apply from that, or you can go to career section of this university also. Next is Adiyaman College of Engineering, Hosur, Tamil Nadu. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for computer science, IT, C, electrical, electronics, mechanical, aeronautical, civil, biomedical, chemical, biotech, architecture, MBA, MCA, maths, English, physics and chemistry. Eligibility and salary is as per ICT accordance. You have to apply within 10 days with detailed CV. You have to send your resume with testimonial to AERI REC RUITMENT @gmail.com. Next is Bhagwant Global University. They have vacancy for Pro Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Deputy Registrar, Director, Assistant, Associate, and Professor in B Pharma, D Pharma, Nursing, MLT, BMRIT, MBA, BCA, MCA, LLB, B.Ed, Mechanical, Civil, CSE, Chemistry, and English. Interested candidate have to send the resume within 7 days with all certificates, a scanned copy of all certificate, experience letter, Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, salary expected, and email all these details to hrvgu2018@gmail.com. Also you have to mention approx time to join must be mentioned in resume. Retired person can also apply. Next is Vardhaman College of Engineering. It is in Hyderabad. They have walk-in interview on 31st October for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor, some lab assistant, programmer, hostel warden for both boys and girls. In for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor, requirement is in different discipline like computer science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, AI and data science, IT, electronics and electrical, electronics communication, mechanical, civil, physics, chemistry, English, maths, and soft skill trainer. So interested candidate can attend the interview on 31st October from 10 a.m. and you can also send your resume for future consideration. Visit the college website and you can send your resume on careers@vardhaman.org. Next is Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology have requirement for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor. They have walk-in interview on 30th October and 31st October for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in electrical, electronics, mechanical, CSE, civil, EC, MBA, English, chemistry, maths, and physics. Timing is for walk-in is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you are unable to attend the interview, you can send your resume to following subject wise Gmail ID: echr@bit. Means EC people have to send your resume on this. CSE on csc@bit.ac.in. Electrical, electronics EE@bit.ac.in. Likewise, you have to send. Next is Greater Noida Institute of Technology. They have requirement for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in computer science, IT, mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, and management, and also some non-teaching posts like system administrator, librarian, assistant librarian, office assistant, counselor, lab assistant in all department, receptionist. So you have to send your resume on hr@gnitipu.in. Next is MIT World Peace University. They have requirement for civil engineering, computer engineering and technology, mechanical design, computer science, management, UG management, commerce, then for economics, law, government, hospitality, chemistry, pharmacy, liberal arts, fine arts, physics. Then for petroleum engineering, public policy, mathematics and statistics. Likewise, there are a lot of departments. For all the posts, PhD is mandatory. If PhD content is not available, then relevant qualification and experience may consider as per UGC norms. You have to scan this email ID, this barcode, and you can apply, or you can directly go to mitwpu.edu.in/careers and apply on that. Next is VIT AP University. They have requirement for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor for computer science engineering, mechanical, electronics communication, advanced sciences, social sciences and humanities, management, law. Candidates just retired and about to complete PhD thesis can also apply. You have to send your resume aphr@vitap.ac.in on or before 10th of November 2021. So that's all about today's update. If you are visiting my channel first time, you subscribe, share it this information with your friends also. Then have a nice day. Thank you.